Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. Today I am sharing how I plan for a successful week. There are a few things that I do on Sunday that really help. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to leave it a thumbs up. One of the things that helps me the most is a weekly to-do list. I take a look at my calendar, think about all the things that need to be done that week, the videos I want to record, appointments I have, and so on. Then I designate a day for each task. This helps me to know that everything will get done, but I only have to focus on Monday's tasks on Monday, and I don't have to worry about all of the other things that need to be done later in the week. Another thing that I like to do on Sunday is wash and put away all of the laundry. I make sure all of the towels are washed because there's nothing worse than waking up Monday morning and not having a clean bath towel. Plus, who doesn't love the sight of empty laundry baskets? Later in the evening, my husband and I fold all of the laundry and put it away. With both of us doing it, we can knock it out in no time. I do my grocery shopping on Monday, so planning my menu and writing my grocery list are must on Sunday. That way, when it's time to go to the grocery store on Monday, I'm not scrambling around trying to think of dinner ideas for the next 2 weeks. I'm not trying to remember what we need from the grocery store. I simply menu plan and write my grocery list on Sunday so that it's all set to go on Monday. Another thing I like to do on Sunday is get a car wash and clear out the inside of my car. We usually get a car wash after church on Sunday. It's also a great time to clear out the inside of your car of anything that doesn't belong in there, such as school papers, gym bags, or trash. We also like to straighten up the house on Sundays. My boys will straighten up their rooms and do their laundry if they didn't get to it on Saturday. It's a great time to go around your home and quickly put away things that have been left out. We like to clean up the kitchen every night after dinner and run the dishwasher because it's always great to wake up to a clean kitchen and a picked up home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to see more cleaning or routine videos, you can click the ones on the screen here or check the description box and be sure to subscribe.